Hey guys, so in this video I wanted to share with you how I DIY'd a personalized doormat for our apartment. I've been looking for the perfect doormat for a while now and I just couldn't find any that I really liked. I mean, I know there are a lot of great and cute mats that you can buy from different stores, but in my case I just never saw anything that really caught my eyes. So I just decided to DIY my own. I purchased this TRAMPA Door Mat from IKEA for only $4.99 and it's just the perfect blank canvas for my project. They have this in 2 different sizes and I'll make sure to link it below. Honestly, the hardest part was figuring out what I want for design. It's hard to choose when there are so many possibilities and options as opposed to what's already made and sold in the stores. Anyways, I saw this picture on Pinterest that I kind of liked, but I wanted a more minimalistic design. So I took inspiration from this pin and decided to show 2 shoe impressions representing me and Steven and a cat paw impression for Misha. Again, I wanted a more simple look and I found these prints on Shutterstock.com and I thought they were perfect. Shutterstock allows you to sign up for a 1-month free trial and you can check out all their pictures and prints. I'll make sure to leave a link to it in the description box for you guys. I just downloaded the pictures on my desktop and printed them on regular paper. I made sure to adjust the scale so they make sense next to each other. I obviously didn't want the cat paw print to be bigger than the human shoe impressions. Then I used my X-Acto knife to cut out the impressions and I used the Sharpie to get these outlines on the mat where I wanted them to be. After that, I used some black acrylic paint and painted inside the outlines. A little tip here, try stippling the brush on the mat fibers. That way you get a more opaque and clean outcome and it's much easier and faster to cover the areas that need to be painted. You can even freehand your design and skip making a stencil if you want. I then let the paint dry overnight and that's it. I was able to DIY and personalize our doormat and I really love how it turned out. Not to mention that this whole project cost me about $5 and is cheaper than any doormat that I've seen in stores or online. I think this is a great and easy DIY because you can literally write or draw anything you want in any color on your doormat. Also, you can make seasonal ones if you like and just switch it out every couple of months. I'm just glad my search for the perfect doormat is over. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll catch you in the next one.